rest in peace. They passed too soon, so we grew up too quick. We was given 2 doors with slightly you pick. I'm living like 2 clicks from death. I could care less. Death dishonored the parental guidance I had left. What more becomes less? I'm living without sense. How many memories could relieve all the tense? If we sped through traffic, would it have saved his life? Was she been treated any better? She was the president's wife. If he was seen the day before, would he lay stiff in his dreams? If I massaged the head longer, well, what did they see? It brings tears, homie. When death became apparent, the question of a soldier's why life unfair. Memories will always be there, while tears blur my vision, while I cry my heart out because it's both of you I'm missing. I'm distant from happiness, cause an empty space is always there. And I'm singing to you, life is so unfair. Life is unfair, why did they have to go? That's the question of a soldier that only Lord knows. I know, coping with the losses, pain. I'm living life and regretting only myself to blame. Unfair, why did they have to go? That's the question of a soldier that only Lord knows. I know, coping with the losses, pain. I'm living life and regretting only myself to blame. Trapped in misery, shackled by pride. I feel nobody is hearing me. I got rage inside. How I collide with the thoughts of grieving and vengeance. Oh Lord, I harder than fault to stay away from the decisions. I know repentance a must. My fingers itching to bust. My words are feeding the cuss. Cause there ain't nobody I trust. So many's lusting for greed while soldiers losing the seed. My eyes are crying to bleed. Cause I confide in this weed to lift me up in this way from this life full of hell. Then look to God when I pray to get me out of my cell that I dwelled in. Since the loss of my father, Lord, can you tell him? With that them days get harder, a part of me is confused to the shift of this life. If life was given to lose, why should we cherish a life? This type of question keeps a soldier heated. Been in the game since the beginning and I'm feeling cheated. Yeah, life is unfair, why did they have to go? That's the question of a soldier that only Lord knows. I know, coping with the losses, pain. I'm living life and regretting only myself to blame. Unfair, why did they have to go? That's the question of a soldier that only Lord knows. I know, coping with the losses, pain. I'm living life and regretting only myself to blame. I got the right to speak freedom to those that pass incarcerated with life, but now free at last, while the masses still suffer. Flooded on this earth, trying to calculate what life is worth. But it seems so cursed from the get-go. The devil's a vulture, like he won't let go. Help me, Lord, I'm a soldier in the midst of hell, with a story to tell how the majority want me to fail. But I bail with precision, that's right. Though my pride and vengeance has always blurred my vision. I was born Christian, backslid with friction, cause the heat hit me too hard in the kitchen. Some suffered the act of greed, but I suffered the pain of death. So I continue to bleed and I continue to live for my seed and pray for them with the plea. Let my sons take not after me. Hold pastor, please preach the truth. Cause I'm a loose cannon waiting to get set loose. The stress and misery flow through the blood of my veins, applying so much of pressure and pain. Cause I'm just a man in the still of the night, gripping the steel tight, fighting to live life, hyperventilating to see my life fading away. Help me, Lord, to stop the pain from raining today.